Quick Product Entry is useful when you need to add a range of products with similar names that are not maintained by Minfos, and all products in the range would be allocated to the same supplier and categories. From the Stock Manager module, navigate to the Products menu. Select Quick Product Entry. Complete the relevant details in the Quick Product Entry window. For example, in My Pharmacy, I will leave the price policy as default and specify the department, the company, the brand, the preferred supplier, check the repeat name if you want the name to be retained for each product. In the case of a range where all products have a similar name, this will save time. In this example, I am adding a range of lipsticks, so we'll use the repeat name function. Checking repeat name will also retain the retail price and unit cost. If you want to enter the full name for each product, leave repeat name unchecked. The retail price and unit cost will also need to be entered for each product. If each product has a unique barcode, check barcode. If the products do not have their own barcodes, leave this box unchecked and Minfos will create a barcode to allocate to each product. Click OK. In the Quick Product Entry window, enter the first product's details. Scan or enter the barcode, or leave this blank if the product does not have a barcode. Enter the product name. Enter the retail price and unit cost. Enter the product's PDE. Enter the retail units if required. To mark the product as stocked, check the Reorder Product checkbox. Then click OK or press Enter. The stock card will be created and the Quick Product Entry window will display ready for you to enter the next product. If repeat name was checked, like in my example, the name, retail price and unit cost are retained from the previous product. Update the product name, PDE and barcode if required. Check the pre-filled details are correct for the new product and update if required. Then click OK or press Enter. Repeat this process until all products have been entered. Once complete, click Cancel to close Quick Product Entry.